morning, Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Very good morning. Good morning.
Mataji.
Mataji.
Yes, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning,
to all.
Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, Mataji.
Good morning, children. Maths class is over.
Over, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Now, everybody, please switch off your mic. Okay, so last class, what we have learned about the what? History, yes or not? What are the types of the history? What are the sources of the history? Yes or not? Okay, types. I already said that. What are the types? What are the types of the sources?
Literature sources.
One is literary source. Another one is historical source. Getting, yes or not?
Yes.
Can you able to see the board? Can you able to see the board?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
On the board, then
Yes, Mataji.
can you? Yes, children. Okay. So now I will tell you one thing about your Aadhaar. Are all you have done an Aadhaar card, yes or not, children?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes. Why we need Aadhaar card? Now I'm asking you.
For proof.
Satvik, tell me the answer. Why we Aadhaar card?
For proof of our birth date. Proof.
Very good, very good. For not to prove. So you will have the identification of this country, yes or not?
Mataji, your voice ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
Because everybody please switch off your mic, okay now? Okay, so today we are going to learn about the citizenship of India. What is that? Citizenship. The citizenship. What is the meaning of the citizenship and how the citizenship? Okay. How we can get the citizenship or acquiring the citizenship, or how we can citizenship, that things we can learn about in this lesson today, children. Understood? So I have learned about the and the okay. Then here today for the civics learn about is citizenship. So in this citizenship, for example, I am a social teacher, or my name is Bharti, yes or not? So here my parents, they were born in India, understood? So they got the citizenship of India, remembrance or on their names. I am getting my citizenship means Bharti, she is a citizenship of India, like that. I will get the name of it. Okay, so like that, everybody they must have. For example, I'm asking you one thing. So many types of the cards nowadays we are getting, isn't it? One is Aadhaar card, another one is ration card, and another is driving license card, then PAN card. Yes or not? So many cards are there. For all the cards, it is useful to us, children. Is it clear? It is useful to us. Understood? For example, called driving license. What is that? This is called. So if I'm going to anywhere inside the country, I can have this card, children. Wherever I can ride my vehicle, so I can show this driving license card. Then they'll come to know whether she's a foreigner or Indian, like that to know, isn't it or not? So, so that is useful to us. And another thing is, sometime if we are doing a passport, if we wanted higher education, then we need this identification. One is Aadhaar card, another one is driving license card. Okay, so these two, it is our identification they are showing. Understood? For example, in your school, Chandana school, okay. So you wanted to go to competition to other school. Then how they can get to know? One thing they can get to know through the ID card, yes or not? What you are hanging on your neck. That ID card, they are came from the Chandana school, like that, okay? Because in that ID card, you are having the details of Chandana school, isn't it or not? Then another thing is, somebody they can identify through your uniform, but must and should, wherever you can go trip, school trip, if you are going, then you are handing your, you must hand your identity card. For example, if you will lose, andre, what would you say? ನೀವೆಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಕಳೆದು ಹೋದ್ರೆ, okay, then anybody if they can recognize you through the Chandana school ID, then our name they will carry, alva. So because ID card we need, like that Aadhaar, license card, these are all must and should we must have. It will tell you what, and your is that where you came from, like that way. Then another thing is the PAN card. Another one is PAN card. Actually, PAN card. Who is talking? Who is talking there? Okay. Down. At the end. Okay? Then what is the meaning of citizenship? For all we have learned, you must have ID. Have opened your somebody. You have opened your position or state. Religion or particular example. Indian or like that, they must come to know. For that reason,
Mataji struck ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು.
not my problem, children.
Struck ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು.
Why you? What now? Is it clear?
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Okay. For mic, if any mic, then it will be struck or voice breaking. Okay, please switch off your mic. Okay, so what I said already, if you are American, Australian or Indian or African, you are having your citizenship of nation or a country, it will give us some cards. Or if those who are born in India considered as a Indian, if you go America, then in America you wanted to settle there, then if you want American citizenship, then there is some rules what the will gives, okay. And another thing is, there is some feel we first of all why citizenship. We need a citizenship, children. Anything else? Can you? Okay, I'll why we need a citizenship. First of all, shown what is citizenship. Why we? Okay. This, can you see?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji. Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Indian.
Yes, Mataji.
Okay.
Mataji.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
So
Mataji.
in
Mataji.
India, those who are all living or those who born in India, they citizenship of India considered as citizenship of India. Okay. Then another one is yes. Passport. For example, if you wanted to go any country, have the passport. Okay. While doing passport, also they are asking your birth certificate as well as your driving license card. Afterwards, get the passport. That passport, it is the proof of our citizenship. Indian. That's why we need. For example, I'll show you. Citizenship is necessary. First of all, to live a better or this to lead a better life. Okay, to lead a need a citizenship because education, standard of living, health, and security considered are all not. ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ಹಕ್ಕು. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕು, ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ತಿಗಿರ್ಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮಗಿರ್ಲಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಅವರ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೇರ್ we can live inside the country. So that is our right. We can follow, choose to worship the freedom. These freedom or the rights, it is given by the constitution or government of India as well as it is our. Got it? Please switch off your mic, children, please. ನೀವು ಮೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಗೋದು ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ. Clear? Yes. Next one is one who lives with the dignity. For example, I am a teacher or somebody, they are a doctor, somebody they are a policeman. Okay. So then what they are having the dignity. So they must have. Yes, children? Any doubt?
Mataji ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾ ಇದನ್ನ?
ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ. Don't write it, okay? Yes, why citizenship is necessary? Because of rights. It is our rights as an Indian. It is our rights to get the education, or we can go any part of the country, or standard of living. So because of security, these are all we need a citizenship, as well as these citizenship it will protect you also. That is our rights. One thing. Secondly, we can participate any administration program with freely. Understood? Nobody is asking for us. Then it protects our dignity also. It may be doctor, engineer, carpenter, or a barber, whatever in their profession, it will be protecting. Okay. Then to lead a better life, children. For example, as an Indian, everybody we wants to a better life or standard of living we need. Yes or not? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನಗದು ಬೇಕು, ನಾನು ಹೀಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನನ್ನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Yes or not? ನನಗೆ ಬಂಗ್ಲೆ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಕಾರ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನನಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. So like that to lead a better life. Okay, that is the meaning. Another thing is if we need a government facilities or a job, then this citizenship, it must and should, children, understood? For example, if you wanted to go and settle in America, then in India you don't want to come, then what will happen? That Indian citizenship it will cancel, then you can you can take the registration in another country and you can get the another country citizenship, understood? So because of these are all, we need a citizenship. Another thing is integrity and the unity. For example, whole India, what is that? Whole India, we are all considered as one. Yes or not? If anybody, it may be Chinese or it may be Japanese or Pakistan, if they'll come to war with us, then everybody, we are all together, we are having the unity. Then we are having the patriotic mind in our mind, yes or not? So together we are going to fight with them, yes or not? That is called unity or integrity. Means here, whichever the religion they can worship, or whichever they can follow the customs or the traditions. So here it is not considering, okay, because you are born in India, so whichever the caste you came from, but we are all one, like that integrity and the unity mind as a Indian citizens he must have. Okay, so that is what the citizenship is necessary. What is that? It will protect, it will give you security, it will give you standard of living, education, and the job facilities, yes or not, or you can participate in any administration. And another thing is you can join your political rights also, yes or not? For example, if you wanted to become a representatives, or if you can choose your politician life, then that also you can go as an Indian. But it is not, it is offending for the foreigners or any criminal activity background, those who are having, no, for them it is offending, understood? So the as an Indian citizen, they can go inside the country whatever he can, understood? But it should have the rules and regulations of the country, what the nation is giving a law or a rules and regulation, that we must follow that. So that citizenship is necessary. Another thing is, it is having some features, children. What are the features it must have? One thing, individual identification. What is that? Individual identification. What is the meaning of individual identification, children? Yes, I'm only saying individual means what is that? Namage alva, as a individual andre nanagobbanige idu ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ? Identification. Yeah, for example, she is a Prarthana. Yeah, Prarthana, she is a what is that? A student of Chandana school. Like that, your identity card, it will gives you Chandana school address, or else you are a Chandana school student, like that, isn't it or not? Like that, for us also it will give us individual identification. Namage nammade adanta ಒಂದು identification ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದು? Citizenship. Then another thing is, he can enjoy, as a citizen of India, he can lead a better life and enjoy his right. For example, if I wanted to go to Mangalore or Bangalore or Bombay, if I can settle there, then I can. Okay, nobody is asking. If I go to Bangalore and I wanted to settle there, means nobody is asking for me. But if I am going to American country or Europe country, then there is some rules and regulation or registration I have to do, passport I have to give them, and I have to take a visa or whatever, understood? Otherwise I can't go. But inside the country, it may be Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, or else Karnataka, whole Karnataka or Andhra Pradesh, wherever I can go inside the country, then I can move freely. I can worship any types of the religion or the worshipping God. Okay, then I can speak with anybody freely. So freedom of speech anta karitare adana. I can speak, I can express my ideas, views in front of the political leaders. So these are all, we can enjoy the rights. What the fundamental rights and duties government has given to us. ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? We can enjoy our rights. Okay, but it should be binding. to our country. What country rules is there? Law, what it will tell. For example, government, it is having the laws, rules and regulation. ಅಲ್ವಾ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದಿಷ್ಟನ್ನು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. That we should bind as a citizen of India, because if we are binding all those things, then what will happen? We can freely live, yes or not, in our society. Then to get the power to hold the position, for example, if I want to become a politician, then I can join. How I can join? There is a rules and regulation alva. Direct ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾನು MP ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ, MLA ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So how I can go? I must have the 25 years qualification. Then in the election I have to stand for the election. Then so many people, they have to elect me. Then only I can join the ML. I can join as a MLA or MP in the central as the state level. Yes or not? So like that, we can become a politician, that position, or we can get the government facilities and the government job. Okay, so these are all, it will give us a citizenship. Okay, then another thing is, if anybody foreigners, they will come to India, and if they wanted to join as a politician, then our government or our nation, it will not allow to him. Why? Because he is having another country's citizenship, yes or not? For that reason, he is deprived. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ಫಾರಿನರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್, ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್, ಸೊ ನಾಟ್. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಹೋಗಿ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ತರಬಹುದು, ಅಥವಾ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೇ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? We can get a account, yes or not? Or the passport, or the driving license, PAN card, Aadhaar card, ration card, yes or not? In our locality, we must have these are all the things, yes or not? This is called features of what is that? Citizenship. Okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು? ಈ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು ಕೊಟ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar and Maulana Abdul Kalam, Jawaharlal Nehru, these are all the people, they were created the constitution. So constitution ಅನ್ನ ಪಿತಾಮಹ ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. He was framed the constitution, and through the constitution he has given to us so many rights. ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ನಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್, ಲಾ, ಕಾನೂನುಗಳಿವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ 3 organs. ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಜಿಸ್ಲೇಚರ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್, ಜುಡಿಷಿಯರಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 organs ಇದೆ. ಆ 3 organs ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ gives you the guidance, runs the government like that. Okay, so that is about your necessary or the features of our citizenship. I already said that. What is the? There is a losing and the acquiring methods are there. How to get the citizenship? For example, first one is by birth. How to get the citizenship as an Indian? For example, my father or a grandfather, if they were lived India after 1950 January 26th, why? Because before 1947 there was no government in India, because there were British people, they were ruled, as well as the kingdom, they were ruled, isn't it? But here what happened, children? Yes, are you listening? Are you listening, children? Okay.
Yes, Mataji.
So here what some methods to getting the or acquiring the citizenship by birth. For example, yes, now stop, please stop talking. Okay, yes, for example, if anybody, they will born in India, then within 1 month or the 2 months, in the municipality office or in your panchayat, they are that parents they are going to registration. Okay, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಹುಡುಗಿನೋ ಹುಡುಗನೋ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀವೋ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೀವೋ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬರ್ತ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್. Okay, and another thing is parents and the grandparents, if they were born after 1950 January 26th, if they were settled in India and they were having the citizenship of India, then their children also by inheritance anta ಕರೀತಾರೆ. What is that? By inheritance ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕಿದ್ರೆ 1950 ನಂತರ, ಸೊ ಅವ್ರ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅವ್ರ ಮೊಮ್ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ? They are the Indian citizens. Like that they were considered when it is after 1950. Why? Because 1950 January 26 we got a republic. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ದೇ ವರ್ ರೂಲ್ಡ್, isn't it or not? So that we were having the citizenship when it was started 1950 January 26. Okay children, that you must remember in your mind. Another thing is by registration. I already said that when you are born in the hospital or it may be in your home, okay, but your parents they were taking the what is that registration form in the office. Okay, in the office means by municipality office ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ನಾವು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು ಹಳ್ಳಿಲಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಓ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಇಂಥ ದಿನ ಇಂಥ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಈ ತರ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಇಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಈ ತರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, birth certificate they are making. Understood? So parents should go and they have to make a birth certificate in the consider officer. Understood? Then another thing is, what is that? By incorporation. Sometimes what will happen, ಇವಾಗ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕೋಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೊರತೆ ಇದೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯುದ್ಧಗಳಾಗೋಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಸ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಗನೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಅಂತ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಈಗ ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಂತದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡತ್ತೆ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಮರ್ಜೆನ್ಸಿ or the warfare, during that time they can get the citizenship in India. Understood children? So next one is by losing the citizenship. Idella enu? By birth, by inheritance, by registration, by incorporation. So these four we are having the methods to getting or acquiring the citizenship of India. Then another three is by renunciation, by termination, as well as by deprivation. So the three methods is losing. Why? Because if I wanted to go to some other country, then what will happen? Automatically, one thing, if I wanted to go to America, okay, or any Europe country, it may be Greek country or it may be England, UK, wherever we can go. So I wanted to take that country where I have to go, that country citizenship. Then in India I have to inform. Then automatically it will or automatically or officially. If I informed, then officially that citizenship will cancel in India. Then we'll get American this one citizenship. Understood? Then another thing is by termination. By termination means sometimes that person he will not inform to Indian country. He wanted Indian country citizenship and another country citizenship means it is offense. Offense andre ಅಪರಾಧ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಂಟ್ರಿಯ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಅಪರಾಧ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ offense under the law. Okay, so what he have to do? If he doesn't give any information and he took the other country citizenship, means automatically in India it will be cancelled. Okay, why? Because one country to another country there is a link. Got it? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀವಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರೇ ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ಓ ಇವ್ರು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಿಂದ ಬಂದವರು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಾದ್ರೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಅಂಡ್ another thing is it is offense also. Okay, ಸೊ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಲಾ. Then third one is deprivation. Deprivation means any foreigner, if they are having the anti-criminal activity or for example terrorist, ಅವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀಲಂಕಾದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಟೆರರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಗಳು ಬಂದಿದ್ರು, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಕ್ಸಲೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೆ ಅದಂತೆ ಇದಂತೆ, ಸೊ ಮೆನಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನದಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರುವಂತ ಟೆರರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಜಮ್ಮು ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಲ್ ಆಗೋದು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್, you heard the news from the TV, isn't it or not, children? So here, if anybody they are having the background of anti-criminal activities or any what do you call that, he was a robber or he was a murderer, killer, like that, his citizenship will cancel in those country. Andre idu Americadallu agirbodu or India also, it will be cancelled. Okay, if he was having a criminal activities, andre criminal background iruvanta person anta gottadre ಅವನ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಆ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಯಾವುದೋ ಫಾರಿನರ್ ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವನು ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಅವರು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದ್ ವೇಳೆ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಡಿಪ್ರೈವೇಶನ್. ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್, ಹಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲಿಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ ಯಾವುದೇ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಗಳಾಗ್ಲಿ ಎಂ ಪಿಗಳಾಗ್ಲಿ, that person is going to politics. So not that politics also he should not enter. So that is the losing citizenship. One is by renunciation, by termination, and by deprivation. So that three methods is losing the citizenship. Okay, so there is a methods to getting and the losing the citizenship. But what I have to tell, if we are an Indian citizen, we should not have the two types of the two countries citizenship, isn't it? We have to go, we have to bind our law, we have to follow our law, rules, regulations, everything. Yes or not, children? ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಎರಡೆರಡು ಕಂಟ್ರಿದೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು, ಮೋಸ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. And we should not have the criminal background. Yes or not? So as a citizen of India, if I get the dignity or individual rights and rules and regulations, but we must have the Indian citizenship. Yes or not? That is necessary to live in the country. Citizenship ನಮಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಬೇಕು? ಪೀಸ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬದುಕುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. Individual rights, yes or not? Then secondly, political rights it will give, government administration we can go, job facilities they will give us, yes or not? So because of these things, and even the ration card, as a Indian person namge ration, government in the ration free agi bekantandre what we have to do? So we should have a BPL or APL card, yes or not? Yes, below poverty line ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಪೂರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಡ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಬೋವ್ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾವರ್ಟಿ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅಂತವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 45ರಿಂದ 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗದೆ ಇರುವಂತವ್ರನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? BPL ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದ BPL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆರ್ ದ APL ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್, they will get the BPL card, they will get the free ration. And APL card holder, for example, 1 kg rice they have to give a 15 rupees. But BPL card, only 1 rupee they have to take a per kg rice. Okay, so like that BPL card and the APL card is there. For that we will get the rations. One thing free adru kodtare, otherwise 15 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, so that is what government have given the facility. ನೀವು ಇಂಡಿಯಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾದ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೆ. Then so many employment also. ಈಗ nowadays employment opportunities they are giving in the rural and the city life, urban life also. And so many job facilities and educational facilities, so not. And ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಗಳಿದೆ, ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡುವಂತ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್. ಸೊ ಯೂತ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾವು ವಿ ಆರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಸ್, so that we are having these are all the rights Okay, we can enjoy these rides. Okay, children. Yes. Anything else? Do you have any doubt?
Mataji, I have
No,
a doubt.
Mataji. No, Mataji.
Yes. Who's
Mataji, I
that?
have
Tell me. Yeah.
ಮತ್ತಾಜಿ ಪ್ರವಾಸಿಗರೆಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ನಮ್ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ ದೇಶದ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ. Those who are coming to our country as a traveler, then that person they will not have any citizenship of India. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಫಾರಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆದವರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದಿವಸ ಇದ್ದು ನಮ್ ಕಂಟ್ರಿನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ ಟೂರಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊರಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ. Yes, did you understand?
Okay, ಮತ್ತಾಜಿ
Satvik, if you wanted to go to America, then you wanted to settle there, you wanted to build a home in your America only, then your identification or your citizenship will cancel in India. Okay, then you will get the America card. Understood?
ಎಸ್ ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
So anybody any doubt?
No, Mataji.
No ಮಾತಾಜಿ.
No, Mataji.
Okay. So what
No, Mataji.
you have to go through the textbook. Once again, read the textbook, children. Citizenship. It is the first lesson of civics chapter. Madhyadalli ide, okay? Understood what I am telling? Page number 127, your civics chapter. So now we have learnt one civics part, one geography part, one is history part. So 3 lessons we have learnt. Isn't
Page
it?
number.
Page number 130. 127 children. 127. 127 to 130 you are having this lesson. Please go through meaning, necessary as well as futures, then methods. This much you have to learn. It is very, very essential to your life. Please go through the lesson and understand it, okay?
Okay, Mataji.
Yes. Shall we complete the class? Shall we end the classroom?
Yes, Mataji.
ಓಕೆ ಮಾತಾಜಿ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you.
Okay, Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.